How many layers of bubble wrap will stop a punch?
Okay,
One
let's see.
layer.
One layer. Okay, perfect.
5 layers.
5 layers.
Oh, that did not help at all. 10 layers.
10 layers.
That was a
Nicely.
little better. 50 layers.
50 layers.
Oh, it still hurts. 100 layers.
Okay.
That actually wasn't so bad. It's starting to work. 250 layers.
250
Wait,
layers.
if
Yes.
I don't feel this punch, you have to subscribe.
Let's go. Nice.
I didn't feel it. Let's go.